students, today I am going to teach you a shortcut to draw Lewis dot structure. Now you have to remember these 5 points. After remembering these 5 points, you can easily draw the Lewis structures. Now let's look into the first point. Count all the valence electrons. That is your first point. Then draw the least electronegative atom at the center and the other atoms are spaced evenly around it. Third point is draw single bonds to the central atom. Fourth point is complete octet with remaining electrons for the outer atoms first and add remaining electrons to the central atom. First we have to complete the octet with the outer atoms. Then we have to move on to the central atom. Remember. And your final point is complete the central atom octet by making covalent bonds. Okay students, these are the 5 key points which you have to remember. Now I am going to solve for NO3 minus nitrate ion. Okay students, we are going to solve for this. Now we are going to find the valency first. For finding the valency, you have to know the group number of the nitrogen and oxygen. What is the group number of nitrogen, students? Come on, say me. 5. What about oxygen? 6. So 5 plus, here you are having 3 oxygen, right? So 3 times 6. Here you are having 1 minus. So you have to add 1 here. So your answer will be 5 plus 18 plus 1. What is your final answer? Everyone knows mathematics, right? 24 electrons. Okay students. Now this is our first step. We completed our first step. Now our second step is that draw the least electronegative atom at the center. Out of nitrogen and oxygen, which is the least electronegative atom, students? Yes, nitrogen is the least electronegative atom. Just draw it in center and remaining you have to put it in equally spaced oxygen. 3 oxygen we have. This is our second step. Now moving on to a third step. Our third step is we have to draw single bonds to the central atom, right? We are going to draw what? Single bond. Single bond, single bond, single bond. We have drawn it. We completed our fourth step. Third step completed. Now fourth step. Can you see if I write it there? Yeah. Fourth step is to complete the octet. Octet means what, students? 8 electrons. It should have 8 electrons in order to fulfill its octet. Yeah, octet. Now just draw the same which we have already done. Single bond between them. Okay. Now here you have 2 electrons, right? For oxygen we are going to do for this oxygen. You are having 2 already. Then how many more needed? 6 more needed to complete the octet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 fulfilled. Here let's see for this. 1 2 we have, 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay. 1 2 we have, 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay. Completed for all this. Now count the total number of electrons. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 20 24. Here 24 is satisfied, right? So we don't have any extra electrons. If your answer is 26 here, then you have to put the 2 electrons here. You can understand now? But we have only 24, so it is already satisfied. Moving on to our fifth step. In your fifth step, if you see, just a minute. First let me copy it down. It is crossed now. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Looking good only now. Yeah. Here you look. For nitrogen, last step is to satisfy the valency of the nitrogen. Look here, only 3 electrons. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. It is having only 6. But it needs 2 more to satisfy its valency. To satisfy its octet. So what we are going to do is, we are going to shift any two electrons. You can shift it from here, here or here to here. So we are going to make a bond here. Look. So it has turned out to be a double bond here. And here only 4 electrons, because 2 electrons has become a bond. Here you have 6 electrons. Here you have 6. Now everything is satisfied. You just enclose it in your square bracket, and you have a minus here, right? Can you see it? NO3 minus you have, no? So you're going to add that minus here. Finally, you have completed your Lewis dot structure, and this is the process to draw the Lewis dot structure. If they given any structure, you can easily do it. Okay, students, remember those 5 points alone. And if you like this, just click on the thumbs up button and subscribe my channel. Comment in the comment section whichever topic you feel tough. Okay, I will teach you it.